resources and how we assign the price per unit for each resource in Primavera P6. So let's go to the resource window. In the resource window, we have to select filter by current project resources. So when you have current project resources, you can see here, like, the labor resources from foreman until charge hand. The resources are loaded, but the price per unit is kept at 0. Okay. Also, I will add one more column for the hours, maximum units per time. Yes. So here you can see these labor resources are working for 10 hours per day. Price per unit is kept as 0, and these resources, the units are loaded in the resource assignments. Okay, are loaded in the program. So here, physical weightage. Now let's go to the material resources. So material resources over here, you can see that physical weightage, again, it is kept as a material resource, but the price per unit is 0. Only for the cost, the price per unit should be kept as 1. But for the, like, curbstones, sub base, subgrade, the unit for asphalt, it is square meter. Curbstone is linear meter. Sub base, it is square meter. Subgrade, again, it is square meter. And road marking, linear meter. Again, you can see here, these units are also represented in the price per unit as 0 per square meter. So all these are kept as 0. Only the cost is kept as, price per unit is kept as 1 as a unit. Now let us go to the non-labor, which is the equipments. So again, they are working for 10 hours per day as non-labor, and price per unit is 0. We don't have a unit, we didn't assign any unit here. Now, most of the planners, they make mistake by let us say, if I put price per unit, what they are doing is they are assigning price per unit sometime as 1 here. So let me tools, recalculate assignment cost. So you can see here now, what they're doing actually is, let me just show you what is the mistake they are doing actually. So this is the way to recalculate the assignment cost. Tools, recalculate assignment cost, reschedule or recalculate, successfully calculated. Now what is the mistake which they are doing. Let me add the cost part here. Budgeted total cost over here. We don't need this one. Okay. Now the budget total cost is 137 million. Okay. Actually, this is not the actual budget cost, because the physical units are also added here. So how we are going to fix this problem? We will go to the resources, and we will only keep the cost part. The price per unit will be 1, but for the physical weightage, we will keep it as 0. Okay, so we keep it as 0 per unit, and then we will go to the tool and we'll recalculate assignment cost. Click on OK, recalculate, close. So now it will be correct. So in your resources, your cost should be only, price per unit should be 1, but the remaining should be 0. So we go to the activities window. You see here it's dropped from, like, 137 to 136. So the physical units are being removed here. So this is the way, to fix this problem, and always keep cost as 1 per unit, remaining keep it as 0. Okay, in the resource assignment window you can also have all the resources here. Let me show you the window. Remove this one. So filter by resources. So you see here the physical weightages are kept as 1 million. Okay, cost resource is over here. These are the labors. Site clearance. Yeah, this one cycle. This one is the cost. 136 million. Okay. Physical weightage is kept as 1 million. And for the major KPIs, asphalt, curbstone, subbase, subgrade, site clearance, these are also kept loaded as units. And for the labors, these are the labors loading. Okay. And machinery also. Foreman here. And these are the machinery, you can say equipments loading in the program, as you see here, 31,275 hours for the as the hours for the excavator. Okay, so this is how you fix this problem of, somewhere if you didn't check this one, if your resource or labor or your equipment, you keep price per unit 1, you have to remove it and kept it as 0. Only keep it the cost as 1 per 0, and then recalculate. When you change it, you just go to the tools and recalculate assignment costs. This is what I'm trying to say, and your program is fixed. Okay, thank you. Keep watching, keep watching my videos, and subscribe to the channel. Also, there is courses, and in playlist there is different videos for ETAB, SAP, SAF. Different courses are there. Thank you so much.